What's up, good people? This is Anthony DeLoach, and I'm back with another crypto investing review and tutorial. And today, guys, I got to give y'all an update, right? I got to give you an update on Crypto 300 and their NFT packs. This is an urgent update. Sound the alarm. Everybody report to this video. Get everybody you know to this video right now. Now, before I jump right into it, I do want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, let's get into it, man. I had a really busy day yesterday. You know, it's holiday season. It's putting up lights, decorating the house, doing all of that type of stuff. So I was busy. I wasn't paying attention to the interwebs, right? The internet. I wasn't paying attention to everything that was going on. But all of a sudden, when I was out traveling, I was on my way back home. I got a call from one of my good friends. They said, man, Crypto 300 just reset the NFT packs, right? Said they reset the NFT packs. I said, what in the world? What is going on? Let me find out what has happened. And so I jumped on and I found out they did do a reset. I was like, let's see what the terms of the reset are. Now, guys, the last reset that happened for the premium packs, the NFT packs were not affected by that reset. Everything was working smooth through the last reset of the premium packs. This time, Crypto 300 has taken it upon themselves to go ahead and do a reset of the NFT packs, right? And so I didn't see this coming. I think everybody was blindsided by this because it was working so smooth, right? It was working so well. So let's go in and dive right in now to see what the terms of this reset is. Now, you guys got to know this, right? Crypto 300, first of all, let me tell y'all, it's a high-risk platform, guys. I've said this from the very beginning. Crypto 300 has been around for a while, but we know it's high risk because they will change things on a dime. Any second, they will change things. Management will make decisions that nobody agrees with, and they don't really care about that, right? So I want to let you guys know, high risk platform. I thought the NFT packs were a good opportunity for us to go in, make a little short-term money, but let's not depend on making money from the NFT packs alone. You need to be in some good, solid, stable programs that are going to give you some consistent income over time. All right, let me stop talking. Let me get into this NFT pack reset, right? Here's what happened. They sent out an email, and if you in the back office, you could go look at the messaging here yourself. But here it is. Reset of NFT pack system complete. Greetings, Anthony. Just a short update. We have good news and some bad, or not that bad news. Maybe it's just a good reality check. A lot has been happening over the past 60 days. Yes, it has only been about 60 days, which is correct. I got started with the NFT packs back on October the 6th, right? And I'll show you my progress in just a second. So I got started on the NFT packs back on October the 6th. So they're looking at about 60 days, right? First of all, thank you to everyone for your unimaginable support. We've just been doing better and better each day since the launch of the NFT pack system. Believe me, but check it out for yourself. The Alexa graph is usually proof that a website has more popularity, and our system is no exception. And they have a little link. We're not going to worry about that right now. Now for the less exciting news, right? We've been working on this plan ever since the conception of the NFT packs, and apparently we now need to implement it. Now, they never told us they were working on a plan. None of that was put out in their messaging, right? So we got to look at this, right? Now, our most knowledgeable and successful trader went missing for almost a month. Now, when I read that, I said, here comes the shenanigans, right? We've heard this from so many platforms. So let's see what happens and what they're going to say here. At first, we thought he took all the money and didn't need us anymore. We've heard something similar to that before, right? But let's go a little bit further. But 2 days ago, he contacted us and explained the whole situation. He had a huge family emergency. I've never seen that one before, guys. Never seen that happen at all. Like, it was like he came back and said he had a family emergency and all of this other stuff. Hey, Crypto 300 fashion, they do what they want, right? So let's go ahead and look further. But he expects to be able to start trading NFTs again in 1 to 2 days. That is actually very good news. The new system for unexpected problems. In light of the emergency described above, we have decided to execute the following change in the compensation plan, which will also be referred to as the NFT Reset, right? The NFT Reset cutoff date is 12/5/2021. So I guess at midnight, 12/5/2021. Existing withdrawal packs from NFT pack balances have been canceled and credited to deposited funds. That did happen, right? I had a withdrawal out there for $300. They did cancel that withdrawal. It actually went back into my deposited funds, right? Now they said you can use these packs to purchase new NFT packs paying 5% a day. I was not really upset about that. Delayed my, little withdrawal for the day, but if it goes back in so I can purchase more 5% packs, that's cool, right? Daily earnings of existing NFT packs purchased before the cutoff date that have paid at least 100%. Now, here's my perception of this. That have paid at least 100%. What they're saying is whatever the value of the packs are. So if you purchase one pack before the cutoff date, then that one pack is worth $10. If they paid you $10 out on that pack, then that pack is going to go to 2.25%, right? That's what they're saying in this. If you've purchased 10 packs, right, at a time, and if you go look at the line, and I'm going to show you all in just a second, if you go look at the line and it shows that those 10 packs have reached, if it shows that those 10 packs have been paid out the face value. So if it paid out $100, then that's going to be reset to 0.25% per day, right? That's 0.25% per day. Now, the daily earnings of other NFT packs purchased before the cutoff date, this is the ones that have not been paid out the full face value. Those packs are going to be reset to 1% per day, which that's not bad. I'm not really screaming about that. The 0.25% per day, it's not the best, right? But if you think about it, if it's 0.25% per day, then we're looking at what, 3% a week? Not too bad. I'm not going to fuss about it. What can we do about it anyway, right? Here's the next thing. Withdrawals of initial investments have been blocked for NFT packs purchased before the cutoff date. So, one of the things that stood out about the NFT packs, but most people didn't take advantage of, one of the things that stood out about the NFT packs is they did offer you the ability to be able to withdraw your initial balance. They stopped that, right? For the packs that have been purchased before the cutoff date. Okay. Now the NFT packs purchased after the cutoff date pay 5%, right, daily, and the corresponding initial investments are fully withdrawable. So if all the packs that were purchased today going forward or after the cutoff date, all of those packs, like last night going forward, those are, you can withdraw your initial investment if you need to at a later date, right? And you still earn 5% per day on those. The daily earnings above were calculated quite conservatively to compensate for the negativity of some members that we expect to experience, which significantly hurts the business initially. Actually, any changes in the system generally cause a lot of disruption, discouragement, and negativity among certain loud and moody members. This is Crypto 300. Only Crypto 300 comes with verbiage like this, right? This generally causes reduced promotion activity, fewer new signups, and significant decrease in revenue. So expect the daily earnings for an existing NFT packs to be increased in the near future after everyone in the membership relaxes and understands the good in what we have just done. A stable system that pays on time is what we all want from Crypto 300 Club, right? More information about why we made these decisions can be found in our new FAQ for NFT packs at this link right here, right? So this is something they've updated us with right now. Here's I want you guys, don't stop there, but look at this. A few changes to the member area needs to be completed as soon as possible, which means it hasn't been completed yet. First, display of the various NFT packs according to their daily earnings on the Add Packs portfolio page. So they need to actually get us to the point where we can see which pack, how many packs we have paying out at each percentage. So how many packs we have paying out at 0.25%, how many packs we have paying out at 1%, and how many packs we actually have paying out at the 5%. They need to have that breakout so we can see all of that, right? Now, here's the next thing. They said the withdrawal of initial investment has been turned off until the development team has the opportunity to change the site to only allow the initial investment for the new NFT pack. So the withdrawal is actually turned off right now. What they're going to do is separate it so that the new NFT packs, the initial investments are withdrawable. The old NFT packs that were purchased before the cutoff date, those are no longer withdrawable. Okay. Now, they expect these changes to be completed within the next 24 to 48 hours, right? Now, what they say, interesting to note, is only 2 to 3 members have ever even once withdrawn any part of their initial investment. So this is not an issue for most. This new reset system can be used at any time in the future. Also, whenever our NFT trading is not able to cover the daily withdrawal requests. So now we have a great plan for the future. Be thankful and happy about this news, because many investment websites simply close down when the going gets tough. We never close. More sharing keeps our system strong. So that's what we're going to, I'm not going to go any further on that, but that's what they're talking about right here. So like I said, guys, this is not one of those platforms you want to depend on. This is not one of those platforms that you want to go throw crazy money at to try to get it going or whatever. I mean, everybody, you choose to do what you want to do, right? Everybody has to be adults and make the decisions that they want to do. If you are one of those that like, that you're Steph Curry with the shot, right? Like you'll take a shot from anywhere with anything anyway, you know what I'm saying, with your eyes closed, all of that type of stuff, then that's up to you. But I always suggest, please do not invest any money that you are not willing to lose. I went in to this as a test. If you guys saw my first NFT pack video, I went in as a test with $100. That's all I went in out of my pockets. I was willing to lose that $100. If it didn't pan out the way that I wanted to, I was not going to be upset, sad, or discouraged with anyone, right? And so luckily it did come out to my advantage. I've been in this thing for about 2 months with the NFT packs, and I've been able to withdraw about 10x what I initially started with. So it has been good, guys. But what I want to tell you is to be wise with this. As they said, they can reset these things at any time going forward. Now, I'm going to play the game with them, right? Because of the fact that I did earn back my initial investment. So that was a good thing. But I am going to go in, 1% per day, on the old packs, and the new packs are still paying 5% per day. I'm going to run it up as much as I can. I'm in total house money. And I know some of you all may be into house money now as well. So if you're back in the house money, run it up the way that you run it up, right? We'll see if the next reset is 2 months down the road, we can make a lot of money in the meantime, right? And just continue to flip it that way. But, I'm not telling anybody what to do. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving you financial advice. I am not your guru, in the words of Tony Robbins. But I want to tell you guys that there's a lot going on. So let me show you some details. I know you're like, Anthony, stop talking. Show us some stuff, right? Let me try to do this, right? Let me try to do this for you guys. So I want to show you just a couple things here that I think will be stand out for you so you can understand this, right? So here we go. NFT packs. You guys see that I was at 673. Well, I'm at 673 NFT packs, which if they were all paying out at 5% per day would be $336 per day, which is really nice here. But let's go in. I'm going to go in and look at my NFT packs here, right? And if you guys look at this here, and I'm going to show you. So I can see when these were purchased, right? So I purchased 30 packs. That's with the $300 withdrawal that they put back into my deposited funds. I purchased 30 packs here. They've so far paid me out $15, right? So these packs here, I purchased one pack here, one pack here. These have paid me out 50 cents. Okay. Now these packs that were purchased before, these packs that were purchased before the cutoff date, right? So these packs aren't at 100%. So you see, I purchased 3 packs here. They're $10 a piece, which would mean the face value is $30. So they're going to pay me out at 1% per day, right, on these packs because they have not reached the face value. I've only been paid $2.25 on these packs. So that's what's going to happen with all of these packs. But like I said, the ones that did reach 100%, so I'll see if I can show you some of those. So the packs that did reach 100%, let me see if I can go back far enough to show you where these packs are. So let's see, like this pack right here. This is one pack. Now, this is how good this is, though, guys. This is one pack I purchased right here on October the 20th. This one pack is valued at 10. The face value is $10, right? I've made $20.03 on it. I've made double what the pack was worth. They've paid me $20 on this one pack, which was $10. So I got all my money. But you know what? They're not going to say they're going to stop paying me on it. They're going to pay me 0.25% per day on this pack. 0.25% per day. I still get paid on this pack, even though they've already paid me $20 on a $10 pack. This pack right here, you see, I purchased this one before that one, right? So this pack right here, this one pack, I paid, it's worth $10. One pack is worth $10. It's paid me $21.03. They're still going to pay me on that one. Let me go back a little bit further to show you how much I've made off of some of these packs, guys. So my initial packs, right? My initial 15 was on October the 6th. It should have been. Yeah. So on October the 6th, I want you to look on my initial packs, guys. I bought 10 packs on October the 6th. It cost me $100 to buy 10 packs. Those 10 packs have paid me $260.25. So $100 in those packs have turned into $260 for me. I'm not mad at that, right? They've paid me $260 off of those packs. The next 5 packs right here that I that's premium packs. Don't worry about that one. This one right here is the next one pack that I purchased. It was a $10 pack. It's already paid me $24.53. The next one, it was a $10 pack, paid me $24.28. But you guys get the message. I've made back. They've paid me back more than what I invested in the pack. So that is what you're really looking at when you're looking at investing, is your return on investment. Now, sometimes that return may take a little bit longer than we expected, but as long as they're giving us the return on the investment, I'm not too upset about it. First of all, guys, this is a very high risk program. Crypto 300 does exactly what they want to do. Now that they have the resets in place for the NFT packs, we have no idea how often they will reset it. It could be, I'm just going to throw it out there. It could be once a month. It could be once every 2 months. It could be once a week. They could reset this thing whenever they want to. So be very careful when you're actually investing in this program, right? I think we could get something out of it, as I've shown you that I've made more profit back from my packs than I have what I invested. But you really want to be careful with this program when you're looking at it. I would highly suggest that you look at the longer term programs as well, right? You want to make sure that you do that. Now, let me go into my wallet here. I'm going to show you this, okay? Because I want you guys to see this. They canceled my withdrawal here, which was the $300 withdrawal, and they put that back into my deposited funds. And you see, I did a pending withdrawal now that's of $80, right? Because last night I got paid $80 from my NFT packs, right? So I got paid $80 from my NFT packs last night from the payout. So I took that $80 and I did a withdrawal. And I'm going to see if they're going to go ahead and pay this, which I believe they will. They'll pay this either today or tomorrow, and that'll be paid. And then we'll just go from there. And then, I'll compound some and I'll withdraw some, and I'll see how it goes, guys. So this is what I want to give you guys the update on, because like I said, this thing is crazy that they've done this. But it's Crypto 300. Look at the longer term programs, guys. Look at the longer term. Look at NovaTech. I'm going to do an update on NovaTech today as well, so that you guys will have that. NovaTech is very long term, but it's very consistent program. Been very solid, been performing the way that it should. Look at Hyperverse. I can't say too much about Hyperverse right now because of compliance until we get all of the information distributed correctly. I won't say much about Hyperverse, but look into that as well. That's another long-term program. You can even look at Omega Digital, which has been doing this thing lately. And I'm going to do an update on that today as well. So I will get that out to you so you guys can see exactly what's going on, guys. So this is Crypto 300 update, guys. We got to make sure we're wise when we're investing in things. As always, you know my motto, guys. We will invest wisely. We will invest well. We will only invest what we are willing to lose. And we're investing for the opportunity to win. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day. And I am out.